Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed, please do so. And if you have subscribed, hit the bell down below. You'll be notified each time I load a video. Alright guys, this is going to be a simple DIY for you guys. Alright. You know the orange pumpkins that you can get at Dollar Tree? Well, this is one that I painted last year with the teal stem, and I painted it white and kind of added a little bit of gray. Well, we're going to use this. You need your hot glue gun, piece of floral foam, and we're going to use these succulents that we got from the Micheals grab boxes, okay? And we also have some of the little cactus. We're gonna kind of make a little decoration. Alright, you need your hot, trusty glue gun. What I'm gonna do is, I'm just going to go all the way through, all the way around with a knife. Be very careful. So I thought this would be cute to kind of put in your bathroom or on the counter or wherever you want to put it. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to stick this one in my bathroom. And you guys know I stuck a toothpick in mine last year. And the inside is hollow. Okay. Now, this is where we are going to cut down a piece of this styrofoam so that I can kind of get it on the inside here, like so. Now mine, I'm going to add a little glue on the bottom so that I'll know it's staying put. Okay, very simple, very easy. Now, here's where you have a choice. You can take and add whatever you want to it, okay? Because, you know, we just got these succulents and, you know, I thought these were so pretty. You know, some of them would be really tall. You can cut them down. See, like, kind of like this one. I kind of want to kind of fool around some. I guess I'll use this one. So let me cut this one off. Cut these little tag off. Because when I seen these, you know, I was like, what am I going to do with these? And I mean, you can kind of fool around and kind of get them in the position you want. Make this one a little bit shorter. Let's see if I can. Yes, a piece of wire inside of it. Which, if you want to, you know how you can kind of make them where they're coming out. But me, you guys know me, I like mine where they're standing up. Like so. And And kind of add some more in here. Let's see. We got some of these little succulents like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, because see it's like that. I'm going to cut them off the stem. I'm going to add some of those. Y'all guys know me and tags. I don't like tags, but I know there is a wire inside. Sorry guys. I've been coughing really bad today. I think I get allergies or something. And then we have some like this. Let me use and kind of that like that. And I had another one here. Let me grab it. And I'm gonna place it like that. But I kind of want something here. So I'm trying to figure, I think that would be cute. And you just kind of place them here and there how you want them. You don't have to do it exactly the way I do it. Just play around with it. I get these tags off. And if you kind of remember, I think it was last year, we kind of played around with the Dollar Tree succulents and kind of done it the same way. But I kind of like the way these here look. Now I'm going to come in. Now I'm going to add a little hot glue on these. Where I kind of want to kind of hide some of the stuff in the front. I'm going to kind of put this one down at the bottom. Don't worry guys, we're going to put stuff on the back side. See what I mean? Something a little bit smaller. I'm going to put this one right here, kind of balance it. And guys, this is fall decor. It's not just spring or summer. And play around with it. See what I mean? Now, if you want to come in and say stick some more in, you can. Try and see. I'm going to stick this one on the back side. Kind of use it as a filler on the back. See what I'm talking about? That's the back, okay? The back side. And this is the front. Alright, let me set this up here so you guys can kind of see. What it looks like. So until now. Alright guys, that's one simple DIY. And I think it's really cool. One way to kind of use the cactus and the succulents that we got in the grab bags. And you can get these pumpkins at Dollar Tree for $1. Alright guys, love you, God bless. I have another DIY coming right up. Love ya.